Good morning, everyone. Good morning, class. Now, I will discuss the three topics, which is the first one is aims of the La Liga Filipina and why Rizal established it. The La Liga Filipina established by Jose Rizal in 1892. So, what is the purpose of the La Liga Filipina? So, ano yung mga layunin ng organisasyong iyon? Firstly, the primary aim of La Liga Filipina was to unite Filipino. So, from the word unite is magkaisa. So, we have collaboration as one goal to unite Filipino in a common causes against Spanish colonialism. Rizal recognized the need for solidarity among the diverse Filipino populations to effectively address the issues facing the country. By fostering unity, he aimed to create collective voice demanding social and political reform. Secondly, the La Liga Filipinas sought to promote civic consciousness and educations. So, bakit nga ba layunin ng La Liga Filipina to promote educations? Dahil if we have educations, we have a better future para mayroong kaalaman at hindi tayo maapi ng mga against sa mga Spanish. Rizal believed that an enlightened, educated populate was essential for meaningful reforms. The organizations aim to establish schools and promotes the disseminations of knowledge, emphasizing the importance of education. So napaka-importante ng educations to empowering Filipinos to actively participate in shaping their destiny. Moreover, La Liga Filipina encouraged mutual assistance and cooperations among members. So, dapat meron tayong unity or pagkakaisa. Rizal recognized the strengths of collaborations and sought to build network individual committed to support each in aid was intended to create resilient foundations for the organizations and its objectives. Additionally, the organizations aims to provide platform for peaceful advocacy for reform. Rizal emphasized the need for change through legal and diplomatic means, steering away from violence to avoid further antagonizing the Spanish authorities. La Liga Filipina was convicted as a vehicle expressing grievance and proposing reforms within the frameworks of Spanish colonial governance. In summary, the La Liga Filipina was established by Jose Rizal with the overarching aims of fostering unity, promoting educations, encourage mutual assistance, advocating for peaceful reforms, and laying the groundworks for future. So, ang mga layunin daw ng La Liga or organisasyon ng La Liga Filipina na pinatupad ni Jose Rizal ay para magkaroon tayo ng pagkakaisa. Magtulungan tayo, magkaroon tayo ng cooperations para sa future natin or para may pagtanggol natin ang ating sarili against sa mga Spanish. And secondly, yung educations. So sabi ko nga kanina, education is the most important to our life because it's the key to success. Dahil dito, maabot natin yung mga dream natin. Like, ngayon, tayo nag-aaral to pursue our dream. Then, to have a peaceful life or peaceful country para magkaroon tayo ng kapayapaan. Nung naaresto si Rizal, bakit nga ba nagkawatak-watak yung organisasyon ng La Liga Filipino na binuo niya? Pero, kahit nagkawatak-watak sila na-impluwensyahan naman tayo. Like yung pagkakaisa, or pagkakaisa like yung pagbabayanihan, pagtulong sa kapwa, sa oras ng kagibitan, 'di ba? Then the most critical is yung na-promote nila yung educations. Kung ano, kundi dahil sa ano, education na yon is hindi tayo makakapag-aral. Wala sanang mga professionals like professional teachers, professional ano, criminology or police, 'di ba? During results times, forging unity face challenges. So ano nga ba yung mga challenges kung bakit mahirap pagkaisahin ang mga Pilipino? Firstly is yung colonial operations or yung for example, kawalan ng karapatan or kawalan ng katarungan. And cultural diversity. Pagkakaiba ng mga kultura. 'Di ba mahirap pag it's difficult para mabuo yung pagkakaisa kung magkakaiba yung mga kultura or yung mga paniniwala. And differing socio-economic interests. Additionally, diverse languages and traditions pose obstacle to cohesive national identity. Rizal advocate for reforms, educations, and shared national consciousness to overcome this obstacle and foster unity among Filipinos. So, gumawa ng way si Rizal to unite or to pagkaisahin ang mga Filipino para mabuo yung kamalayan ng mga Filipino. Filipina showed Rizal practical leaderships. The La Liga Filipina, founded by Jose Rizal in 1892, showcased his practical leadership by promoting unity among Filipinos for social reforms. Rizal envisions a non-violent approach, emphasizing educations, civic duties, and cooperative efforts to address issues. The organizations aim to fostering collaborations for positive change, reflecting Rizal pragmatic leadership style. So, ito yung napansin ko kay Rizal. Yung mga programa niya is hindi para sa pansarili niya lamang, kundi para sa karamihan. Like yung La Liga Filipina organizations, yung pinaka layunin yun is yung pagbabago ng ng patakaran or pagbabago ng bansa natin, 'di ba? Against sa mga Spanish. Secondly is yung educations na pre-promote ng organisasyon na yon. Si Rizal gusto niya na magkaroon ng edukasyon yung mga Pilipino para magkaroon ng kamalayan or para mabus yung isipan nila na napaka-importante ng edukasyon dahil dito sila mamumulat or magkakaroon ng future in the near future. Then yung organisasyon na binuo ni Rizal, pinakita niya talaga yung pagiging leadership niya dahil bumuo siya ng organisasyon na hindi para sa kanya lamang kundi para sa buong organisasyon para sa pagbabago ng ating bansa. The La Liga Filipina highlight Rizal's practical leaderships as he sought tangible solutions for societal issues. Instead of advocating radical measures, he focused on educations, civic responsibilities, and collective actions to bring about positive change. So, si Rizal gusto niya talaga ng pagbabago. Kahit i-boost niya yung buhay niya. Nakikitaan mo talaga ng pagiging leadership si Rizal dahil hindi siya takot mamatay para sa pagbabago ng ating bansa, para may pagtanggol niya ang ating bansa. 'Di ba? Kahit nga nung pinatay siya is hindi siya na walan ng pag-asa or hindi siya natatakot na mamatay dahil alam niya sa kanya sarili na worth it lahat ng mga pinagpaguran niya, mga sacrifices niya, 'di ba? Si Rizal ay he is a good leader dahil hindi naman sasang-ayon yung mga miyembro niya sa La Liga Filipino na binuo niya kung hindi sila agree sa mga proyekto or mga aktibidad na ginawa niya. Dahil dahil sa kanyang katalinuhan or identity, sumasang-ayon sila sa mga plano ni Rizal dahil para lang din sa pagbabago ng ating bansa, yung mga plano niya.